I'll be using this book in our tutorial lesson. Tingnan natin kung effective sa inyo. So, nasa chapter 5 po tayo. Linear equation and inequalities in two variables. So, ayan lahat. Chapter 5 muna, ha? Kasi ito yung lesson mo.
Hello everyone! Welcome to aroMATHerapy Tutorial Services. This is Jen Dorado, your tutor.
Let's discuss the solutions and answers to your problem sets. Find the slope of the line containing each pair of points. A. Negative 2, 3, and 4, 8. B. Negative 1, 2, and 2, 2. C. Negative 3, 1, and 3, negative 4. D. 4, 6, and 4, 2. The steepness of the line is the slope of the line, and letter M is usually used to denote the slope. The slope of the line is the ratio of the change in the y-coordinates to the corresponding change in the x-coordinates. Because the line is made up of an infinite number of points, you can use any 2 points in that line to find the slope of the line. Now, let's generalize the definition of slope for any 2 points on it. Given 2 points, p sub 1 with coordinates x sub 1, y sub 1, and p sub 2 with coordinates x sub 2 and y sub 2. The slope can be found using this method or this formula. M is equal to change of y over change of x, which is also equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, such that your x sub 1 and x sub 2 is not equal. Okay? Understood? Take note of this formula in solving for the slope of the line. For letter A, we are given 2 points, negative 2, 3, and 4, 8. So let us graph these points. Negative 2, 3 is located in quadrant 2. So it is found here, negative 2, 3. Oh, locate mo siya. So, 4. Oh, yeah. 4, 8 is located on quadrant 1. It's here. And then we connect these 2 points. So this is our graph. Now, let us denote p sub 1 as negative 2, 3. So, x sub 1 will be equal to negative 2 and y sub 1 is equal to 3. For p sub 2, we have the point 4, 8. X sub 2 is equal to 4 and y sub 2 is equal to 8. Now, let us use this formula in finding the slope. M is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Now, you substitute all the values here. So we have M is equal to A minus 3 over 4 minus negative 2. So recall your lessons in integers. Huh? m is equal to 8 minus 3 over 4 plus 2. Since negative times negative is equal to positive, so we write plus 2. Can you follow? Okay, let's continue. So we have m is equal to 5 over 6. So this is our slope, 5 over 6. Understood? Now, let's try to interchange the points and see whether we'll come up with the same slope. Sige. Our p sub 1 will now be equal to 4, 8. And p sub 2 will now become negative 2, 3. So here we have m is equal to, copy lang ang formula, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Again ha, nag-interchange na tayo ng values ng point natin. So we write m is equal to 3 minus 8 over negative 2 minus 4. Again, recall your lessons in solving integers. So m is now equal to 3 plus negative 8 over negative 2 plus negative 4. Okay? Can you follow? So now, let us simplify. What is 3 plus negative 8? Which is equal to negative 5. What is negative 2 plus negative 4? Is equal to negative 6. So we have negative 5 over negative 6. And take note that negative divided by negative is equal to positive. So we have 5, 6. As you may notice, we have the same slope. So it doesn't matter which ordered pair is selected as x sub 1. Kahit sino pwede maging x sub 1. Basta pair sila. Understood? Ayan, they have the same slope. Positive sila. Okay, now, take a look at the graph. What do you notice? A line rises from left to right. Nagsaka siya from left to right. So if this is the graph, we can say that the given line has a positive slope. And what is the slope again? M is equal to 5 over 6. This is your positive slope. Tama, no? Positive yung nakuha nating slope at yung graph niya is rising from left to right. Tama. Okay. Let's proceed to letter B. For letter B, we're given with points negative 1, 2, and 2, 2. So let's graph these points. Where is negative 1, 2? Negative 1, 2 is located in quadrant 2. Ayan siya. 2, 2 is located in quadrant 1. So, let's connect these 2 points, negative 1, 2, and 2, 2. Let P sub 1 be equal to negative 1, 2. And P sub 2 be equal to 2, 2. Okay. So what is the formula for the slope again? M is equal to copy y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And then you substitute all the values here. So you have m is equal to, what is y sub 2? 2 minus 2 over 2 minus negative 1. Can we write? Let's simplify. M is equal to 2 minus 2 over 2 plus 1. Okay, can you follow? Ayan na, na-simplify na natin yung sa denominator. So, let's solve this. M is equal to, what is 2 minus 2? 0. Over 3. Okay, can you follow? So, this means our slope M is equal to 0. So, kung gusto niyo mabilisan na pag-solve, dito pa lang, sa 2 minus 2, pwede na kayo makakonclude na 0 si slope since any number or 0 divided by any number is equal to 0. Understood? Pag 0 si numerator, automatic, 0 na yan siya. Take a look at this graph. A horizontal line has a slope 0. So, kapag horizontal yung line niya sa pag-graph natin, automatic 0 slope na yan. Kahit hindi mo i-solve. So, this is your 0 slope. Basta horizontal line, 0 slope. Gets? Okay, let's proceed to letter C. For letter C, we are given with points negative 3, 1. I-graph na agad natin. And 3, negative 4. Ayan. So, let's connect these points. What is the formula in finding the slope of the line? We have M is equal to, copy nyo to, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So now we write M is equal to, okay, in this case, we let p sub 1 be equal to 3, negative 4. And p sub 2 be equal to negative 3, 1. Okay, let us now substitute these values here. Negative 4 minus 1 over 3 minus negative 3. So you have M is equal to negative 4 plus negative 1 over 3 plus 3. Plus, since negative times negative is equal to positive. So, ayan, plus 3. Okay, let's simplify now. M is equal to negative 4 plus negative 1 is equal to negative 5 over 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. So we have negative 5 over 6. So take a look at this graph. What do you notice? The line falls from left to right. O, nahulog siya. Pag falling, meaning negative slope. So what is the slope? M is equal to negative 5, 6. So this is your negative slope. Can you follow? Okay, now let's proceed to letter D. For letter D, we have points 4, 6, and 4, 2. Let's solve for the slope of the line. Again, what is the formula for the slope of the line? We have this one, copy lang, see? M is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So M is equal to, let's denote P sub 2 as 4, 6 and P sub 1 as 4, 2. Ayan ha, si P sub 2, 4, 6, P sub 1, 4, 2. Let us substitute these values here. So we have 6 minus 2 over 4 minus 4. Okay, let's simplify. Let's simplify our answers. We have 4 over 0. So this means our slope is undefined. Bakit undefined? Take a look at the denominator. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. And take note that any number divided by 0 is undefined. Basta 0 si denominator, automatic undefined na yan. At ito pa yung clue. Sa may x values nila, take a look at their x values. Pareho silang 4. At alam mo naman na isa-subtract sila, diba? So therefore, automatic, 0 yung denominator. This means undefined na yung slope niya. Kapag ganito yung case na magka-the same x values. Let's try to graph this one. 4, 6 is located at quadrant 1. So, saan si 4, 6? Ito 4 at 6. So, dito siya. For 4, 2, 4, 2 is also located at quadrant 1. Dito siya. Okay, so let's connect. So this means vertical line indicates undefined slope. So this is your undefined slope. Ito yung tsura ng undefined slope, ha? Vertical. Okay, can you follow? So that is why kanina sa definition pala ng slope, in-emphasize ko na sa inyo na x sub 1 should not be equal to x sub 2. Kasi ano nga mangyayari? Magiging 0 si denominator. At kapag 0 si denominator, magiging undefined yung slope natin. Gets? Let's review our answers. Okay, for letter A, let's graph negative 2, 3, and 4, 8. Ayan. So what is the slope? M is equal to 5, 6. This is a positive slope since the graph rises from left to right. So you write positive slope. Okay, next. For letter B, where is negative 1, 2? Okay, very good. And 2, 2. It is on quadrant 1. Then you connect. So what is the slope? M is equal to 0. So take note that horizontal line indicates 0 slope. for letter C, we have here negative 3, 1, which is located at quadrant 2, and 3, negative 4, located at quadrant 4. So you connect. As you may notice, the line falls from left to right. Falls from left to right. Yung isa, yung positive, rises from left to right. Okay, so what is the slope of this line? Letter C. You have m is equal to 5, negative 5 over 6. This is your negative slope. Okay, for letter D, what is our slope? We have 4, 6 is located at quadrant 1, and 4, 2 is also located at quadrant 1. This is a vertical line with slope 4 over 0 or undefined slope. So that is why kanina sa first pa lang na definition, in-emphasize ko na x sub 1 should not be equal to x sub 2. Kasi ano nga ulit mangyayari kapag mag-equal si x sub 1 at si x sub 2? Oh, x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Kapag same sila ng value, magiging 0 si denominator. At kapag magiging 0 si denominator, undefined na yan siya. Understood? Yes. This is your positive slope. This is your negative slope. Your zero slope and your undefined slope. So ito, para mas mag-gets mo or ninyo, lagyan natin ng color. Okay, gets na? Positive slope, negative slope, zero slope, and undefined slope. And this is the formula for the slope. Again, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 such that x sub 1 is not equal to x sub 2. Kasi alam niyo naman kung ano yung mangyayari kapag mag-equal si x sub 1 at si x sub 2. Undefined slope siya, okay?
Thanks for watching. God bless everyone.
There should be no such thing as boring mathematics. Reduce math anxiety. Say yes to aroMATHerapy.